Which print-on-demand websites get the most web traffic? Who's searching for what? In this video, I break down the top 10 sites for print-on-demand. Let's jump in. Number 10 is CafePress.com. This is a niche website. Its global rank is about 60,988, so about 61,000 in the world. How much traffic do they get every month? We're looking at total visits, 891,000 visits, and they only spend about 2 minutes on the website, so that's not a great sign. Bounce rate is 62.51%. What that means is people jump in and then they just jump right out again. So they're not really going into CafePress. They're not really checking out other artists and what people are selling. They're not really buying anything. They just go to one page and then they beat it. The next one up is Spreadshirt.com. Spreadshirt.com is global rank about 45,000 in the world, and they have a bounce rate of 55%. Total visits per month, 1.4 million views. Average duration is about 3 minutes on the website, and it's tough to tell because it's just an average. So some people are obviously spending way more time on there and some people are spending less. That bounce rate's still really high. Next up we have Society6.com. Society6 is art, prints, home decor. Global ranks about 25,000 and they see about 2.1 million visits per month. We can see here the pages per visit a little bit better at 5. Average visit about 4 minutes. How about Fineartamerica.com? Fineart America, their global rank is 12,282, and they get about 4.4 million views per month, and that's mobile views, desktop views. It could be people from all over the world. Bounce rate's about 60%. Page visits per visit is about 5. Again, an average view duration, pretty rinky-dink there at 3 minutes. Displate, one of my favorites. The global rank is about 11,000 in the world. Displate gets 4.6 million views per month, 5 pages per visit, and about 3 minutes average visit duration. TeePublic, again, one of my favorite sites. Global rank about 7,600, and TeePublic's not too bad here at 7.3 million views per month, average view duration about 3 minutes. Again, a pretty high bounce rate. So what you really need to do if you're selling stuff on sites like TeePublic or any of the print-on-demand sites, you really want to have good thumbnails, really good eye-catching designs to try to keep people's interest. Here's Redbubble. Redbubble is globally ranked at about 2,500 in the world, and they get about 19.5 million visits. This is interesting. The bounce rate's quite high at 58%. What that means is people are going onto the main site and they're leaving again. I'm guessing this is because Redbubble is doing a lot of advertising, and so they might be getting a lot of people coming to the website, but not necessarily sticking around. Next up, we have Etsy. Etsy's a huge player in the print-on-demand marketplace. The global rank is 70, and I just want to compare that to the previous one. Redbubble's global rank was 2,400. They get about 20 million views a month. So let's just compare Redbubble now to Etsy. 20 million views versus 448 million views, a lower bounce rate. And even though it's only a few percentage points lower, the total number of visits is massive. So that's a huge number of people that are spending time on Etsy. The pages per visit, again, is quite high now at 6, and the average view duration is up above 5 minutes. So if you're thinking about selling on Etsy and you're not sure, man, oh man, the 20 cents listing fee could be worth it to get many, many more people on your site. Now remember, it's much more competitive, but there's way more visits coming in every month. Next up, we have eBay. eBay is another huge player, and not just for print on demand, of course. They're selling all sorts of items on these sites like Etsy and eBay. The global rank here is 38. There's over 716 million views per month. The bounce rate's very low now. We're down to 38%. So that means people are going to eBay and staying on eBay. Check out the average visit. It's 6 minutes and 45 seconds, and there's also over 6 pages per visit. And that brings us to the largest one of all. We've got Amazon. Amazon is 11th most popular website in the world. And now again, it's not just print on demand. So of course, people are going on here to buy everything from toilet paper to t-shirts. But if you're looking at traffic, Amazon is the beast. Amazon gets 2.2 billion visits per month, and this is Amazon.com. This is the American site. Bounce rate's quite low at 35%. pages per visit, the highest of all, of over 9 pages per visit, and they're spending about 7 minutes on average on Amazon, sometimes much more than that. So merch by Amazon could be one of the best opportunities if you're looking in the print-on-demand space, because you get so much traffic. Yes, it's competitive. Yes, you need to have great designs. Yes, you need to have great keywords. But if you're looking in terms of who's actually shopping, Amazon wins this particular race. I hope you found this video helpful. Of course, I encourage you to check out all those print-on-demand websites, and of course, have fun. That's the most important part too. Design, be creative. Thanks a lot for watching. Here's another video on how you can have some fun in the print-on-demand space.